Every dog loves peanut butter, and every dog loves treats.
It makes sense to combine the two in this simple and easy recipe. This recipe can be easily made with things commonly found around the house. To begin, preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Do this now so that it will be ready by the time you've completed the recipe.
The ingredients you will need are 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a cup of milk, 1/2 a cup of peanut butter. It can be chunky or smooth, it doesn't matter.
All of these ingredients can be easily found around the house. The baking soda and the flour can be found in the pantry or cabinet along with other ingredients used for baking. You will also need a large mixing bowl, a spoon or spatula, a cookie sheet, a cookie cutter, and parchment paper. You can also add food coloring to add a pop of color to the treats.
Once you have all the ingredients, combine them in a large bowl. Be sure to mix the ingredients thoroughly. Make sure to scrape out the sides and the bottom of the bowl. If you want, now is when you can add food coloring.
Once the ingredients have combined to create a thick substance, knead the dough on a flat surface sprinkled with flour.
To knead the dough, press down on it with the palm of your hands, flattening it. Then fold the dough in half and repeat, sprinkling flour onto the dough to eliminate stickiness. Knead the dough until there are no more lumps and is smooth, elastic, and tacky to the touch.
Once you've done this, roll out the dough using a rolling pin to 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch thick. Use the cookie cutter to cut out the shapes. Place the treats on a baking sheet covered with parchment paper cut to the right size.
Place the treats in the oven and bake for 15 to 17 minutes until golden brown.
Take them out of the oven and let them cool before feeding them to your pooch.
And that's how you make the simple dog treats.